Since tires can impact your operating costs by up to 49%, they significantly influence your fleet's performance. ContiConnect, our digital tire management solution, supports you by cutting costs, reducing breakdowns, and enhancing safety and efficiency. ContiConnect provides real-time critical tire data on pressure, temperature, and mileage, which can increase tire mileage by up to 15% and casing life by 20%, while reducing tire-related breakdowns by 85%. Additionally, it can improve fuel efficiency by up to 4%, contributing to both cost savings and a reduced carbon footprint. ContiConnect is available in 2 versions. ContiConnect Pro is a remote tire management solution providing real-time data on tire health and is suitable for fleets of all sizes. This solution enhances safety and efficiency by providing continuous visibility into the condition of your tires. Leveraging AI-driven technologies, ContiConnect enables proactive maintenance planning, preventing unnecessary downtime. The Pro version offers 2 connectivity options. Live is for vehicles constantly on the road and offers 24/7 access to tire data, while Yard is for vehicles that regularly return to a dedicated checkpoint. Get the most out of your tires with ContiConnect. Download the app from Google Play or the App Store now to get a first impression on the benefits, or get in touch with us on ContiConnect.com.